What's up, YouTube? Brad here with Days of Dirt. We're kind of in a different location tonight. We've had some great weather here the last couple of days, and we've really enjoyed being outside, working out in the yard, and just getting some nice vitamin D from the sunlight and all. And a new package here that we're very excited to open up, where you guys are going to be able to see us unboxing it here. First things first, though, obviously we're out in the garage. Everybody says that you're supposed to open your packages in a garage. You're supposed to let it sit there for a couple hours or so. Well, we don't have a couple hours, so I think I'm just going to do this. Get it all good and spray it down on both sides. Let's go ahead and get the bottom for safe measures. Spray my hand too. Alright, so let's get this started real quick. Let's find out what we got. Be careful not to cut ourselves. It's a good sharp blade. Close our blade up for safety. Oh, one more thing for safety. Can't be too safe. Alright, what we got right here? Some corrosion block. Let's get it open and find out what it is. Quickly penetrates and lubricates. Protects electronic equipment. Penetrate and lubricate locks, hinges, hatches, deck, hardware, pulleys, windlasses, aluminum siding, doors, downriggers, winches, rods, and reels used on seized studs, bearings, shaft, and bushings. Thank you very much, Wes. Look forward to trying that out with you. Obviously, in the picture that we posted this past week, we seem to always have nuts and bolts that get seized up a lot. But look at our cooler either. It's a little dirty, but hey, we're dirt track racers, so dirt just goes with everything. This doesn't look like it's got a label on it, but I believe this is what Wes was telling me. It goes in the rear end. It's an additive that they're trying out that goes in the rear end. It's supposed to keep the rear end temperatures a lot cooler. Look forward to trying that out and giving some feedback on that. Some birdcage bearings. Got a set of the blue birdcage bearings. Well, them are nice right there. Those will go great. Got a set of Ware's bird cages that are going on our new car, so look forward to getting all those changed out and getting those set up. Uh-oh, I got a rag. Hey, good throw. I'm gonna get the Earl there off my hands. So there you have it. We got some rear end additives, basically some penetrating oil, and some bearings for some bird cages. I believe that's all we got for tonight. Let's see, we got a few announcements. We're gonna try to go live on Facebook tomorrow. I believe Dallas said she's gonna label it as a Ask Me Anything Facebook live video, so make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. I'm not sure about what time frame we'll do it. It'll probably be later in the evening, 7, 8, 8:30, around in that time frame. So if you guys got any questions for me, or have any suggestions that you'd like to know or see, or anything that you can think of that would make these videos better or more entertaining for yourselves, just let us know. I know we have a lot of new followers on the Facebook page, and want to say thank you to all of you guys. Looking forward to getting the season started. We're not quite ready yet. The car's not ready. I think we're ready, but the car's not. So really, honestly, for us, it's not a bad thing the racing season's been delayed, but we're still looking forward to getting on the track. The video we posted last night with the car, you know, while he's working in the shop and all, the car's a little further along than what that video showed. That video is about a week or two behind. We actually do got the car sitting on the ground right now, but it's just kind of a mock-up that nothing's been, you know, nothing's been set. It's just kind of mocked up, so we'll have to go back over it and recheck everything and set it all up. We're basically just trying to get it all pre-assembled and everything. We still have several hats for sale. You know, if you'd like one, you can check our racing page or our website out at bradburyracing.com/store. You can go on there and order your hats on there, or, you know, if you see us in person, you can order them there, or you can get them from us in person as well. Man, mosquitoes are already bad in Alabama, and it ain't even summertime yet. That's something else. But oh yeah, and I know somebody's gonna have something to say about it with me and my white leg, so just y'all bear with me, okay? And the lighting, it's just making it look worse. But hey, it's been about 90 degrees today, it felt like, and I wasn't about to put pants on, so we're, anyways, I want to say thanks again to Wes at Superior Bearings and Supply. If you guys, what Wes described to me was if there's something out there that's got a bearing, a race, or a seal, he can get it. So a lot of the people that's in my area, we have a lot of farmers. Farming season's coming up. It's about time to plant your crops. So if you have any tractors or you know, your lawnmowers or whatever it is, if you have a mechanical issue with a bearing, a race, or a seal, or obviously you know, other lubricants such as wheel bearing grease, additives for your rear ends, or penetrating oil, you know, make sure you get with us. Get with me, and I can get you in contact with Wes at Superior, or for you racing guys, make sure you check out Kate at crateinsider.com. She has all the wheel bearings and the birdcage bearings there on her website that you can order straight from her. So make sure you check them all out. And anybody that supports you know, a small town racer, make sure you support them in return as well. So once again to all my sponsors, Keith Thomas at KT Heating and Air, Wendell at Vinson Race Engines, Kate at crateinsider.com, and Superior West, and all of the guys and gals at Superior Bearings and Supply. We look forward to getting this season kicked off and getting this car finished up. You know, if you think you're going to like what we got going on here with the YouTube channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Also hit the little bell notification. That way you get all the notifications for our new videos. Right now we're just kind of testing the waters, getting everything going, but once the season gets kicked off and we start racing, I think everyone's going to enjoy what the videos we have planned are going to be. I think everyone will enjoy it. We enjoy making the videos and putting them online for you guys, so just make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification to get your notifications for all the videos, and help us get it out there. Make sure you share it, like it, comment it, let us know what you think about it, and we look forward to doing more of them.